A 1.2% gain in Polkadot is indicated in Gov Capital Collector's forecast for July 8. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. As we begin, Polkadot has fallen 0.9% since yesterday and is priced near $0.862. We now take a look at forecast opinions. Coin price forecast says we might see an 86 cents by tomorrow, down roughly 0.2%. Polkadot could edge lower to an 86 cents according to CoinCodex, around 0.1% below now. CoinLore notes it may edge up to $0.864, marking an increase of 0.3%. Another estimate by Gov Capital Collector suggests Polkadot could edge upward to $0.872, a projected increase near 1.2%. And in closing, Traders Union indicates the price could reach $0.873 by July 8, a gain of 1.3%. This is the strongest return potential this week. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a decline of 0.2% and an increase of 1.3%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, Traders Union offers the highest projected return with 1.3% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you might see gains of between $1 and $13 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinCodex has delivered the most reliable forecast, with a 92.7% chance of success. With the 5 forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. Market forecasts together indicate Polkadot moving toward $0.866. Let's crack this open. The consensus estimate points to price higher by roughly 0.5%. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 0.5% change. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $5 in gain. In addition, this consensus outlook for Polkadot carries a probability of about 91.2%. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. Coin price forecast sees the price trending higher in the short term. CoinCodex emphasizes that movement will stay limited. A stable market view is also shared by CoinLore, projecting no meaningful moves. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector anticipates little change from current levels. Traders Union anticipates the price heading north. The consensus shows broad agreement on Polkadot trending higher in the near term. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Polkadot will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. As a result, the actual price settled around $0.885. In this round, most forecasts aligned with the actual market move. The smallest error belonged to the forecast of Traders Union. Let's break it down now. Yesterday's move showed 3 forecasts inside. For ROI, multiple analysts ended in the green, and the maximum return recorded was 2.2%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. CoinLore registered $0.025 accuracy and 1.4% ROI, with a forecast probability of 58.1%. Take a look and find out who stood out in this set of forecasts. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Polkadot and other assets. This time, Polkadot isn't first as Peep posts 2.9% potential gain. For now, you can see only 5 cryptocurrencies here, but a wider selection of crypto forecasts is waiting on my website. If you're following Polkadot forecasts, hit like to show you want more updates like this. Have a good one.